Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about Squid Game series of South Koreans which reached 142 million views in just 28 days after release and has become world's most successful series. Squid Game is a South Korean survival drama television series created by Hwang Dong-hyuk for Netflix. This series revolves around a contest where 456 players in deep financial debt put their lives at risk to play a series of children games for a chance to win 45.6 billion winning prize. Squid Game was a real game played by kids in South Korea and was popular in Korea in 70s and 80s periods. All the 9 episodes were written and directed by one person, that is Hwang Dong-hyuk. Hwang had conceived of ideas based on his own economic struggles early in his life, as well as the class or financial and social difference in South Korea. Though he had initially written it in 2009, he was unable to find a production company to fund the idea. In 2019, Netflix took an interest in his ideas and they made it, took as a part of their drive to expand their foreign programming offerings. Squid Game was released worldwide on September 17, 2021. To critical acclaim and international attention, it gained more than 142 million members watched this series during its first 4 weeks from launch. It is Netflix's most watched series to date. Squid Game series concept is a person named Song Gi-hun, a diverse and in-depth cheffer, is invited to play a series of children games. It is a game where there will be 456 players who are all invited to play this game. These players are all in difficulties and urgent of money, and they thought it was a way to earn money easily. Winning prize will be given billions of one prize money if they can win 6 games over 6 days, and if they lose in the game, they will be killed. Accepting the offer, he was taken into an unknown location where he finds himself among 456 players who are all deeply in debt. The players are made to wear green track suits and are kept under watch at all times by a masked guards in pink jumpsuits, with the games overseen by the frontman who wears a black mask and black uniform. The players soon discovers that losing a game results in their death, with each death adding 100 million to a potential 45.6 billion grand prize. This series contains a genre of survival thrilling horror drama, has 9 episodes and has 1 season, and running time is 32 to 63 minutes. Production company is Siren Pictures Incorporation, distributor is Netflix, and its budget is $21.4 million. First game in this series has become very popular. It is a deadly killing repeatedly who lose the game. It is called Red Light and Green Light. Here, all the players have come to participate in their own will, and they will be declared the amount to everyone after game is over. This first game, Red Light and Green Light, has created an epic in this series. When doll says green light, they has to move and run forward, and if it said red light, they has to stop moving, in which anyone caught moving is shot dead on the stop. With help from Sang-woo, player 199, some players finishes the game alive.
어릴 때 하던 거 말이야?
시작합니다. 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
It is really a scary and exciting game in the whole series, in which out of 456 players, 255 players were shot to death at first game. And its second round is a sugar honeycombs. They have to cut as per the shape and the picture given on the candy with the help of a pin, and if it gets break, they will be shot and dead. As the series goes still more excited when they reach the third round, that is tug of war, as we all played in our childhood. Players who will lose the game will all be dead. 4th round was marbles and 5th round was glass stepping stones, where they will be pushed down to death by their own co-players. The players has to move on the glass to reach the other side without keeping leg on the sensitive breakable glasses. Here, all these games will be watched by several VIP people. Let's take a glimpse of it.
What did you bet?
$1 million bucks? Such a beautiful number. 69.
The last game will be Squid Game, where one of the player will kill himself and let other to win, who was his best friend. At last, Song Ji-hoon won and got the money, but he was not happy because he remained traumatized by the death of his friends and decided to help his co-players difficulties who are dead in the game. He gave some shares to the few dead players' families. Series has so many twists and tricks till the end. The player 001, an old man, was the person who offered the money, 45.6 billion winning prize, and he was there and he wanted to enjoy the game of life.
그런 짓을 한 거예요. 자네라면 어쩌게? 왜 그런 짓을 했어?
This series will make the viewers to sit until the end of the episodes with lots of curiosities and fun too. Even there is a continuation and there will be a season 2 too, and people are expecting lots of expectation and curiosity in the next season. Now let's know about director Hong Dong-hyuk, who faced so many difficulties to make this series successful. He was born on 26 May 1971 in Seoul, South Korea, and he is 50 years old, and he has completed his BA in Communist and MFA in Film Production. In 2008, director, writer and creator of Squid Game, Hwang Dong-hyuk, had tried unsuccessfully to get investment. He was being in his mother's house and taking money from her. In 2008, director, writer and creator of Squid Game, Hwang Dong-hyuk, had tried unsuccessfully to get investment. He was being in his mother's house, taking money from her mother at the age of 40s, and he was so embarrassed and disappointed on himself. Hwang compared the character's situation in these works to his own current situation and considered the ideas of being able to join such a survival game to win money to get him out of debt, leading him to write a film script on that concept throughout 2009 when he tried to sell his story to various Korean production groups and actors, but had been told it was too grotesque and unrealistic. Hwang put this script aside for 10 years without any takers, and he successfully completed 3 other films including Silenced and The Fortress. In 2010, Netflix started investing in production in other countries. Netflix CEO and others found as Hong's script interesting and accepted it, as Netflix named the series as Round 6, but Hong insisted to use Squid Game as series name. Has it reached number 1 in 90 countries? As estimated, there is 111 million viewers worldwide within 17 days. After release, there is 142 million views in 28 days. It became word of mouth and viral on social medias. Netflix estimated Squid Game generated nearly $900 million in value based on views. Squid Game is now world success series. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.